So today I want to talk about Hadley. They offer free online workshops. This is the perfect place to start if you don't know anything about Braille or if you need a refresher. So in the top right hand corner you can click sign up or log in. It's free and easy to sign up. Go ahead, enter your email and your password. So my name's Elizabeth Symington and this is Braille Adventures, and we talk about fun ways of learning Braille. So on the screen it asks us, what would you like to learn now? Click on Braille. And the next page will ask you, okay, Braille by touch or by sight? We are going to click on by sight. This gives us a list of workshops that we can take online. It's all self-paced and interactive. If you don't know the alphabet in Braille yet, scroll down to Basic Braille by Sight Reading Series. And I want to mention that you can get continuing education credits after you finish this workshop. So this brings us to a page, and there are 8 thumbnails. They're all numbered, and this is the order that you'll go through this workshop. It's going to cover the alphabet, numbers, fractions, how to tell time, writing a capital indicator. So we're clicking on the top left one that says letters A through J, restarting the lesson. So on the left you can navigate with the chapters, you can jump through the lesson, and on the right hand side is the lesson. There's a narrator, he's telling us about the lesson and giving feedback. On the screen there's a Braille cell. He's showing us how to write the letter A. He's telling us it's the top left dot, dot 1. And then now it's my turn. I get to click which dot in the Braille cell will be a letter A. And then you click submit. And then I get feedback, yes, the letter A. We're going to jump down to A through C activities. And now the next few activities are all pop quiz, and I identify the letters. So I have dots 1, 2, and the multiple choice options are A, B, C. Let's click on B, submit. There we go, that was correct. Something else I wanted to show you below the lesson, click on resources. There's a PDF called Hints, and there are visual cues on reminding you of the alphabet. There's a print off for the Braille alphabet. It is in print and in SimBraille. So print is the alphabet that sighted people can see, and then SimBraille stands for simulated Braille. This Braille is flat. I'm looking at it on a computer screen. So we're learning to read Braille by sight. Below that we have flashcards. So flashcard is in SimBraille. On the screen it is a SimBraille letter, and it has dots 1, 2, 4, 5. Click on it, flips it over, shows me the print equivalent, which is G. And the last thing I want to show you is more reading practice. And it's loading right now, and it's going to give us 5 words in SimBraille, and I transcribe it into print. There's a text box, just go ahead and type it with your regular keyboard. And it says, beware, do not add any extra spaces. I'll show you what happens. Click on the button, check answers. On the right hand side it tells you if I'm correct or if I need to try again. And that last one says I need to try again, and that's because there's the extra space. So going to the next page, we have sentences. There's 3 words now. So just keep transcribing, go through, check your answers. We haven't learned how to capitalize a letter or any punctuation. That's why that's omitted. So it's just going to build on what you already know. If you have any questions about Hadley's course, you can ask their experts. Their phone number and email is listed below the resources. So let me know if you have any questions, and have fun learning Braille.